Alrighty guys, today we're back with another video. We are checking out some awesome products from a company called Benks. They did get in touch with me for me to showcase their grand headphone stand that they do have here, and also their 6-in-1 digital cleaning brush. So I want to show you guys both of those products and show you what they're both about. Now this headphone stand can be used with a bunch of other headphones. I'll leave it linked on the screen here so you guys can see all the headphones they're compatible with. But I think it works best with the AirPods Max, and it's got a nice minimalistic design. And this version actually has a built-in wireless charger at the bottom as well in the base. So you can actually have your headphones looking very good on top, and at the bottom you can have your phone charging as well. Alrighty guys, without further ado, let's hop straight to this unboxing and check these products out. Alrighty, hopping into the unboxing here guys. Around the actual box itself, except for the front graphic here, there's nothing really too important. Let's hop straight into the unboxing and check it out. Okay, so we're greeted with some information. Looks like an instruction manual. Alright, let's check that to the side. And this is the base that we did get here. Wow, okay, so this is it's like a soft touch material. Seems a very nice material. This is the logo Benks on the bottom here, as you guys can probably see. The back is like a rubber material, so it doesn't slide. And it is a space gray type of material, and I think it's the exact same color of the headphones themselves. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I think this is, yes, pretty much the exact same color. So this is going to match in perfectly with the headphone stand. Alright, I'm excited to get this unboxed now. So this is, put the headphones to the side. Let's see what else we have in the box here. I think this is like the USB cable that comes with it. USB-C to USB-C cable. We do have the screw and Allen key as well. Now, I believe this screw and Allen key would be to connect the base to the actual stand itself, I think. Alright, and lastly, we do have the actual mount itself. Let's unbox this. Okay, it's all very nicely wrapped up. Okay, so here is the headphone stand itself, and this looks like it's a chrome black, and obviously under here, again, the similar material to what was on the headphones. Soft touch up here, very nice, and that is where the screw goes into. So let's get that connected. So that just clips at the bottom over here, and then we tighten the screw up. All right, so here is the headphone stand assembled. Very nice. And back here is the charging port where you plug in, obviously, the USB-C cable to get power to the wireless charger, which is at the bottom here. And that is pretty much it. Let's put the headphones on and see what they look like. It fits perfectly on there, and it supports it very nice. I think it looks awesome, and I think it's a great addition to the desk, especially with the wireless phone charger at the bottom. Let's check out the wireless charger as well and see what that looks like, and get that all plugged in. All right, I'm going to slide the phone on the charger, and there you go. Straight away, it starts charging, as you guys can see. There's a white light indicating that the phone is charging as well. The other thing that did send me was a 6-in-1 digital cleaning brush, as you guys can see here. This is like cleaning AirPods, cleaning devices, keyboards, all that kind of stuff. So let's open this up. And we have a little case for it here. So we have a screen cleaner here, which is really awesome. So if you guys can see, my phone is a bit dirty. Fingerprint all over it, and this should clean it. Yeah, wow. So if I go one way, it cleans it better than the other way, as you guys can see. I think it's done a pretty good job there. So this side is for removing keycaps from a keyboard. So I'm pretty sure that goes into the keycap, and you can remove it, which is pretty awesome to have on there. So this should just push back in, and it slides away, and then you can go to this side. Now that's just a cleaning brush for cleaning anything you want. So if you want to clean inside, even on the phone here, that is also very easy to do, and it gets in there because the bristles are nice and long. You also on this side have a little swab to get into your AirPods case that you can put this in here, and you can clean inside your AirPods. All right, so then we also have on this side this little tool that gets into the crevices, which is nice. It's like a silicone tool as well, so it's not going to be dangerous or anything. It's it gets the job done, but it's soft as well. It's not going to cut you, which is good to know. It's also a little brush on there as well, and that is for getting into the bottom of speaker grills, but I like to use that on my AirPods, especially around the speaker grills here. It's a bit softer, and it gets in there a bit easier, especially through these little crevices. So that is the 6-in-1 digital cleaning brush from Benks as well. All right, finally, this is the headphone stand here, fully unboxed and all ready to go. This is what it looks like on the stand with the headphones on, with my AirPods Max, the black version as well, or space gray, whatever you want to say. But I think this headphone stand really complements the headphones, and I think it just ties in all together and looks awesome. The actual stand is in 2 different pieces, so you actually use an Allen key down here to actually put the 2 pieces together, which is the stem and obviously the base. And like I said before, the beta does actually come with a built-in wireless charger. There are 2 different versions as well that you can get, one with the wireless charger, one without the wireless charger. Now, there is a price difference between the both. So without the wireless charger, it is $57, and with the wireless charger, it is $82. I think it's worth getting the wireless charger. It just adds that extra aesthetic feel to the headphone stand, and you can charge your phone or your AirPods or any other wireless charging device, obviously chuck it on there and it does charge. Also, this stand isn't just made for the AirPods Max. I think it does suit the AirPods Max the best, and I think it is primarily made for the AirPods Max, but you can use a bunch of other headphones with this stand as well. So there is a bunch of other, there's a list like I said at the start, and I will leave it again up here. Check it out and see if your headphones are on there. If not, I'm pretty sure majority of headphones should suit this stand. So I think most headphones will fit this. I wouldn't stress out too much, but there is a list again to go through and check out if your headphones are on there. If you have AirPods Max, I really think you guys should pick this up. It does come in two colors, the black version that I have here and also in white, and I think they both look very nice. Obviously with the black headset that I do have, I think it does suit the best with the black stand. It just kind of goes together, and the colors kind of match as well. I think they've made it on purpose. Like the corner of this kind of matches with the same as the AirPods Max in the black version, and under here as well, so they kind of complement each other, and I think it's a really nice addition to add to your desk or anywhere you want to display your headphones. The materials these are made of are very premium. This is like a aluminium alloy, I think, and this is, I don't even know what this is, but it is sturdy. It doesn't go anywhere. With the headphones on especially, it isn't moving, and it looks very nice. I think the materials they use are pretty premium for what you're paying for and for the type of headphone stand that it is. Again, I think it really looks nice. I would honestly recommend this. I couldn't find a headphone stand myself that I really wanted to buy that suited everything I wanted till I found this one, and I was actually about to pick it up, and funny enough, Benks actually sent me a message and said, hey, we want to send this out to you. Do you want to check it out? And I think it was just meant to be because I was about to pick it up myself. So Benks, big shout out to you guys for sending that out. I really do appreciate it, and I really do like this product. I think it's very nice and a great addition to have to any desk with headphones. The other thing I want to talk about quickly is the 6-in-1 digital cleaning brush. I think this is something essential to have in your bag whenever you're traveling, not just for your phone, but for any piece of technology that you want to clean on the go. It's got an AirPods cleaner built in. It's got a little like nib tool that gets into like the crevices. A little brush again for cleaning speaker grills and microphones on your AirPods. Obviously on your phone as well. Anything you want to use that for. It's not just for the AirPods and the phone. But what I used them for was that. It's got a built-in brush, which is convenient to have again for dusting down your keyboard or dusting your phone speaker grills. Something like that is pretty awesome. And also, which is pretty random, but at the same time very convenient and awesome to have, a keyboard key puller. So you attach this obviously to your key that you want to pull up, and you can take them off, and it comes out really easy. And very surprised, I actually haven't got a tool to do that, and this worked very well. So I do recommend that. And I think one of the features that I love the most is the cleaning cloth built into the back of it. So if you want to clean your phone screen, this is built in, or your iPad screen, or your laptop screen. Very easy to have, and it does a lot in a small, tiny package. So 6-in-1 digital cleaning brush. Check it out. I'll leave them all the products I've talked about in the description down below. I'm not sponsored by Benks to talk about these products. It's just what they sent over for me to check out, and I've actually enjoyed these products very much. So I'm not sponsored. They haven't paid me at all. Everything I'm saying is just from what I've initially seen and I've enjoyed using. It also comes in a cool little case here, so the back of it doesn't get scratched. So if you guys have enjoyed, make sure to smash the thumbs up button, and thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of these headphone stand and the 6-in-1 digital cleaning brush in the comments down below. And if you are picking one of these up, let me know your thoughts on what color you're getting and what headphones you're using them with. I'd love to know. Stay tuned. I'll catch you guys next week for another video.